Kenneth, so you're first then. Okay, how do you say... Kenneth, hurry, come on. How do you say in Hmong? I went to go water the garden.
I don't know.
Kenneth, hurry.
I don't know.
No, you do know. Say it. Right there.
Go buy more water garden.
No, you say in Hmong. I think go buy you day.
Go ha. Go lu bay nene ha go buy go buy you day.
Okay,
Okay,
good.
go lu bay nene go buy
Okay,
you day.
Ashley.
Go lu bay nene go buy you day.
Okay, so
Buy you day.
no, chill. Okay. Okay, how do you say in Hmong? I want. Hey, I want to go to the store. Okay, good job. That was the easy one. Okay, Kenneth, your turn. Kenneth, stop being creepy. Okay, hey. Kenneth, stop it. How do you say in Hmong, my grandpa went to the store? To the store. Okay. And then, okay, Chris, your turn. My grandma went to the doctor.
How do you spell? Doctor
I know, hay mo. Okay, my grandma went to the doctor. No, Chris's turn.
I forgot for the beginning.
My grandma went to the doctor.
I want to say it.
Hold up, Sasa needs to say it.
Grandma.
No, you're supposed to ball.
Grandpa.
What?
The homo.
Okay. Well, homo is hospital. Your namao is doctor. Okay. Why don't you say? Can I stop being creepy? You can say my uncle works at the hospital.
Wait, how do you say uncle?
Uncle is Jinza.
Có anh Jinza by Hapa.
Kenneth, say it correctly.
Wait, what?
My uncle works at the hospital.
So how do you say uncle?
Jinza.
Jinza. What Jinza? Wait, what Jinza? 你好了呀，好不好？
No. Kenneth, that's not right. Hey, don't do that. Okay. Kenneth, you got nothing on that. Okay, Carissa, your turn. Say, my aunt works at the hospital.
Hey,
Aunt means, Pawa. Yeah.
Wait. It's like you post. I post. Go ahead, do it again. No, I forgot. Read it again.
My aunt works at the hospital. It could be like aunt, like mommy's sister aunt, or it could be like
Daddy's sister aunt.
Yeah, daddy's sister aunt, like Pajong is your aunt, that Jessica is your aunt, Zo is your aunt, Paong. Yeah, because Uncle Chia is your uncle, remember?
Oh.
Yeah, or it could be like Uncle Saint Paul and Auntie Shirley, Tatan Jay, you know, like that. Okay. So, Sasa, your line. My aunt works at the hospital. Sasa, say it. My aunt works at the hospital. Can I stop it? Hurry. Fine.
What did you say again?
If you can't say, then I can change it.
Okay, change it.
Okay. My dad works at the hospital.
Gucci.
You're not supposed to help Sasa. You do.
How do you spell? How do you talk Hmong like work?
Hello, Mom. Duh. Shut up, Kenneth. Okay, my dad works at the hospital.
Gucci by Hello.
And
The
Kenneth. What?
Hmong.
Okay, Kenneth, your turn. My mom works at the hospital.
Của anh nhờ phải to lý ho lời. Của anh nhờ lý ho lời do Hmong.
Okay. Okay, next one. You guys are okay. Well, why don't? Yes, I know. I'm trying to figure out words here. Okay. Hey, don't mess it up. Kenneth, stay farther. Go. Okay, so next one. Okay, Kenneth, don't do that. Okay, so next one, Kenneth, you're next. My cousin. Okay, my cousin is very nice. Carissa, stop it.
What is the
Cousin. Cousin means like. Hey. Cousin, yeah, relative.
Okay.
Hey, that's it.
What is the sentence?
My cousins or relatives are nice.
Của ai thành cái linh cầu.
No, Kenneth, say it correctly.
I don't know how to say nice.
Nice is 实种.
Okay. Của ai Holly or she
Kenneth, hurry. It's supposed to be 听者.
Của ai change it? Yo. I forgot.
My cousins are nice.
No, at the end, I don't know how to say it wrong.
I know my cousin or relatives are nice.
Okay. Wait, how do you say it again?
My cousins or relatives are nice.
The cousin and mom.
Cousin, you're 听者.
Của ai change it? Yo, itu.
You do what?
Yeah, itu Peng Yu. Peng Yu.
Kenneth, say it correctly.
I don't remember how to say nice.
实种了哈.
How do you say? Okay, here's again. How do you say cousin?
听者.
J. Stop it. Why change yo? Wait. Sasa, you messed me up.
Carissa, stop it
I
right
don't
now.
remember now.
Kenneth's trying to concentrate.
Okay, Sasa, mommy, how do you say nice again?
实种.
Của ai change?
Okay, hurry.
Của ai change? Yeah.
My cousins are nice. That's the easiest.
No, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Okay, hurry. Forget you. Okay, Carissa, na cái thứ hai. My cousins or relatives are nice. Hurry. Whoever gets the most points gets a prize. Remember?
So what did you say? How do you read it again?
Okay, my cousins or relatives are nice.
Relatives.
Relative, you have 听者. And then nice, you have 实种.
Okay, so how do you spell cousin? How do you
What did you say, Kenneth?
우리 시즌 야생종.
No, that doesn't make sense. Okay. Okay, Carissa, my cousins. Carissa, hurry. My cousins are nice. Just say that. Yeah, that's easy. It's really simple. My cousins are nice.
Cool. How do you
听者
굉장히.
are nice.
How do you spell?
Hurry, Carissa. Do you want the most points or do you want Kenneth to win?
How do you spell? How do you speak Hmong and R?
I don't know. Just say my cousins are nice. Hey, stop it. No,
My
don't.
cousin are nice.
I know, but say it in Hmong.
I know I did.
Okay, fine, Kenneth. You want to say it. My cousins are nice.
No, I want to do a different one.
Okay, my friends are nice.
I want to do a different one.
My friends are nice.
Okay, how do you say friends?
朋友
Wait, how do you say nice?
学长 Okay, fine.
What can you do? I want to do another one.
Okay, fine.
Do something like